Let Garmin show you how to use your dēzl headset 100 or 200 with a dēzl OTR device by connecting both devices to the dēzl app on your compatible Apple iPhone or iPad. Using your dēzl headset with your dēzl OTR device will allow navigation prompts from your dēzl OTR device to blend into the headset audio stream. This will also allow you to use voice assistant features with your dēzl headset and dēzl OTR device. Ensure your dēzl headset has been paired with the dēzl app. Check out our pairing video for instructions. Pairing your dēzl OTR device with the dēzl app will allow your headset to work with your dēzl OTR device. In this video, we will be using a dēzl OTR 800, but the process is similar with other dēzl OTR models. To begin, open the dēzl app and select Add another device. Then select Garmin dēzl. Next, select Find Garmin device. The dēzl app will locate your dēzl OTR device and list it under Select an Accessory. Select your dēzl OTR device. Your dēzl OTR device will now ask if you want to pair with your phone. Verify the passkeys match before selecting Pair or Yes. Then select Pair on your Apple iPhone. Your phone will provide the option to display Apple iPhone notifications on your dēzl OTR device. Next, read the information about your personal data and the privacy policy before selecting Continue. You will now need to create or sign into an existing account using your Garmin account info. For this video, we will create a new account. This is where you will enter your personal information. Select Enable Location Permissions to allow the dēzl app to compare the location of your dēzl OTR device with the location of your phone. This will improve location searches. Then select Allow while using app. Select Enable Contact Sync if you want to use your voice to call contacts from your phone's address book. Select OK to give the dēzl app access to your contacts. Your dēzl OTR device is now connected to the dēzl app and will work with your dēzl headset. Navigation prompts will be able to interrupt media playing on your headset.
Turn right on West 151st Street.
Garmin voice-activated navigation allows you to use plain language spoken requests to search for locations and addresses, start routes with turn-by-turn directions, and more. Press the Garmin button to make a spoken request. For example, take me home. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.